Hello to my lovely reading friends. Today I wanted to share with you my mini library books. So there are Little Learning Library, the caterpillar one. There are Peppa's Family Little Library. Then Bluey Little Library, Bluey and Friends Little Library, Fairy Tale Little Library and Magical Creatures Little Library. So, first I'm going to take out these books. You can see animal sounds, numbers, colors, and words here. Here, let's see inside the Peppa's Family's book. Peppa's Family's book, we can have Daddy Pig, Peppa, Mummy Pig, and finally George. Let's see Bluey, Bingo, Bluey, Chili, and Bandit. Let's see Bluey and Friends Little Library. Here we have Honey and Joy, Lucky and Magnice, Snickers and Coco, Indy and Rusty. And here we have Fairy Tale Little Library. Sleepy Princess, Princess Peppa, Sir George the Brave, George Dragon, the Royal Party, the King and the Cook, and the Wizard. Here we have Magical Creature Little Library. There I have Peppa and Novel, Magical Mermaid, Let's Play Unicorns, George's Dragon Adventures. So I'm going to read the very first one, Little Learning Library. Here we have words: boy, girl, house, bowl, sun, flower, butterfly, car, fire engine, apple, and bird. We can see here colors: green, red, orange, and yellow, blue, and brown. Many colors like a butterfly. Here numbers: 1 bear, 2 trees, 3 stars, 4 penguins, 5 carrots, 6 acorns, 7 ladybirds, 8 fish, 9 flowers, 10 beetles, and finally animal sound. Bah, the sheep. Bah, the cow. Quick, 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 the mice. Oh, the lion. Cock, 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 the cockerel. Kick, kick, keep, 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 the chicks. Quack. Quack, 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 the dog. Woof, 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 the dog. Meow, meow, the cat. Bzzz, the bees. Here we finish our Little Learning Library book. Let's get into Peppa's Family Little Library book. Here we have George book. This is Peppa's brother George. He loves being tickled. Come here, George, says Peppa. Tickle. Sometimes Mommy Pig measures Peppa and George. You're getting taller, says Daddy Pig. Because he is still small, George only knows a few words. Dinosaur. Peppa plays with George every day. She likes looking after him. And he likes looking after her. Peppa loves George. Everyone loves George. Next we have Mommy Pig. This is Peppa's Mommy Pig. She can do anything. Peppa likes it when Mommy Pig helps her with her school projects. I only help a tiny bit, says Mommy Pig. Sometimes Mommy Pig comes into playgroup to read books. This story is called Funny Onion, says Mommy Pig. Mommy Pig is brave. She's even done a parachute jump. Peppa and George cheer. Hooray for Mommy Pig. Peppa has lots of fun with her mommy. Sometimes Mommy Pig works hard on her computer. But she's always has time to play too. Peppa loves Mommy Pig. Everyone loves Mommy Pig. Now, Daddy Pig. This is Peppa's daddy, Daddy Pig. He has a big booming voice. Daddy Pig likes doing noisy things. Let's shake, rattle, and bang. Daddy Pig knows how to make the best muddy puddles. Just right for jumping in, says Peppa. Daddy Pig is very short, sporty. He is especially good at watching sport on television. Come on, Blues, cheers Daddy Pig. Peppa has lots of fun with her daddy. Even an old newspaper can be interesting. When Daddy Pig is around, Peppa loves Daddy Pig. Everyone loves Daddy Pig. Finally, we have our Peppa. This is Peppa Pig. She lives with her mommy and daddy and her little brother George. Beep beep. Peppa and her family have a red car. Sometimes Peppa visits Granny and Grandpa Pig. They are part of her family too. There are lots more people in Peppa's family. Baby Alexander is the youngest. Everyone in Peppa's family is different, but there is one thing that they all like to do. Jump in muddy puddles. Your guess is right. Peppa loves her family. Everyone loves Peppa. So, I think we will read these four mini library books in another week. So, till then, I love you so much. Keep in touch. We will see you again with these 4 books. Bye bye.
Booktube Kids.